Children, this is the second part of the video of chapter Equation of Straight Line. In the first part, we have discussed how to find the slope of any straight line. Now this part, in this video, we will discuss how to take out the equation of a straight line. Not the line, equation of a straight line. So there are many formulas, there are many ways, but I suggest you to stick to this only formula. Y minus y1 is equals to mx minus x1, because there are many other formulas like slope intercept form, 2-point form. So when you go with all those forms, sometimes you may get confused. So better go with this and only this single formula. With this formula you will be able to solve all the variety of questions, whether of any form. Clear? So I suggest to go with this formula only. Y minus y1 is equals to mx minus x1. So for applying this formula, what is required? Two things you require. First is x1 y1, x1 y1 you require. What is x1 y1? x1 y1 is the coordinate of the point that lies on the given line. Means suppose you have to find the equation of any line which passes through 2, 3. 2, 3 will be x1, y1. 2 will be x1, 3 will be y1. So first thing you have to find any point, coordinate of any point which lies on that line, of which we are going to find the equation. And second thing, we have to find the slope, because m is also there. How to find slope? This we have discussed in the last video. Let us briefly describe this. How to find the slope? When theta is given, when angle is given, inclination of the line with the x-axis is given, then we apply this formula, m is equals to tan theta. When coordinate of 2 points which lie on the given line, suppose we have to find the slope of the line which passes through 2, 3 and 5, 9. So 2 coordinates are given, then we have to apply this formula. And when equation of line is given, how to find the slope? Compare that with y equals to mx plus c. Whatever is the coefficient of x will be the slope, that will be the value of m. When two lines are parallel, then the slopes of those two parallel lines are equal. When two lines are perpendicular, then the slopes are in this relation. So these are the only 5 formulas through which we can find the value of slope. So if we get coordinate of the point, if we get the slope of the line, then we apply these two values, m, x1 and y1 here. Then we get the equation of line. X, we don't have to put any value x or y here, because always the equation of line is in the form of x and y. So we have to put the value of x1, y1 and m only. Let us discuss with example. Suppose A and B are on x-axis. Suppose this is x-axis and this is y-axis. So A and B, A point and B point are on the x-axis and y-axis respectively, and the coordinate of P is given, 2, minus 3. P is given to you, and this is the midpoint of AB. This is the midpoint of AB. Find the coordinates of A and B. First of all, we have to find the coordinates of A and B. We know that this point is on the x-axis. This point is on the x-axis. Whenever any point is there on the x-axis, the coordinates are x, 0. Whenever any point is there on the y-axis, the coordinates are always 0, y. 0, y. So what is given? The only thing is given that this point is the midpoint of these two lines, these 2 points. So this point is the midpoint of these 2 points. So only midpoint is given. So we don't have any other option just to apply the midpoint formula. What is midpoint formula? It is x is equals to x1 plus x2 upon 2. This we have discussed in the last chapter. Midpoint and section formula. So x is equals to x1 plus x2 upon 2. So x is the midpoint. Midpoint is given to you. Put the value of x as 2. This is what? A is x comma 0 and y, this b is 0 comma y. So on applying the formula, x1 that is x plus x2 that is 0 upon 2. So x is equals to 4. We have got the coordinate x is, this will be 4 comma 0. Now y is equals to y1 plus y2 upon 2. Y is also one given to you because midpoint is given. This is midpoint. Midpoint is, y coordinate is minus 3 is equals to y1 that is 0 plus y2 that is y upon 2. Y is equals to minus 6. The coordinate is 0 comma minus 6. So the second part, how to find the slope. I have again made this diagram. How to find the slope. Slope, we know that we have discussed in the last video and the previous page also. How to find the slope. There are five formulas to find the value of slope. The first formula says that m is equal to tan theta we have to apply when theta is given. So in this case theta is not given. Second formula we have to apply when coordinate of 2 points are given. So when coordinate of 2 points are given, we have to apply the formula y2 minus y1 upon x2 minus x1. So we have to search whether two coordinates are given. We have one coordinate, we have taken out the a coordinate also, and we have taken out the b coordinate. So already we have three coordinates. So we have to apply the second formula when coordinate of 2 points are given. So already we have three coordinates a, p and b. So we can, by taking any of these two coordinates, we can take out the value of slope. So which two coordinates? Any two coordinates, either a or p or b or a or b. Taking any two coordinates, we will get the same value of slope. So I am taking this and this coordinate a and b. So slope of this line AB will be equals to y2 minus y1 that is 0 upon x2 that is 0 minus x1 that is 4. Clear? A coordinate is 4. So the slope of this line AB is 3 upon 2. Now second part, the most important, equation of line AB. So for taking out the equation of line AB, we have to find, we are required to get two things. First is point, we have already 3 points, and second is slope. Slope we have taken out. So which point we are taking now? Any of the 3 points you can take. Right now I am taking point P, 2 comma minus 3. So y minus y1 that is minus 3. This is x1, this is y1. Y1 is minus 3. M we have taken out, 3 by 2. X minus x1 is what? 2. Solve it out. The equation is 3x minus 2y minus 12 equals to 0. Now I will show you the same answer you will get by taking any other point also. This is not required. This is not required. But I will tell you that right now I have taken x1, y1 as this point. But now I am taking equation by taking out another point x comma 0 by taking 4 comma 0 as the coordinate. Same equation we are getting with the another point. From here we have taken out minus 3, we have used this minus 3, this 2 comma minus 3 as the point. Right now I am taking 4 comma 0 to find the equation of line. Y minus y1. Y1 is what? 0, that is 4 comma 0. This is y1. M we have taken out. X minus x1. This is 4. So on solving we are getting the same answer. So either you can take this point also, you will get the same answer. Second example, find the equation of line parallel to this line and passing through the point 1 comma 2. 1 comma 2. So first of all, first approach, what two things we require to find the equation of line? First is point, second is slope. We have discussed in the last question also that first we have to find the point, then the slope. So let us see, is any point given? So 1 comma 2 is given. It is given that we have to find the equation of line which is passing through 1 comma 2. So the point is given to you. Point is given to you. Point is given to you. Now we have to find the value of slope. So approach like this only. This should be the approach. See that if any theta is given in the question, theta is not given. So this formula will not be applied. Is any two coordinates are given, coordinate of 2 points, like in this case 3 coordinates were there. Any two coordinates are given? No. So we cannot apply the second formula of slope. Equation of line is given. Yes, equation of line, but of another point, of another line which is parallel. So we cannot apply this formula. It is given this line which we have to find the equation. We have to find the equation of line which is parallel to this line. We have to find the equation of line which is parallel to this line. So when line is parallel to another line, then what we have to do? We know that in that case m1 is equals to m2. m1 slope 1 is equals to slope 2. Means the equation which we have to find, the slope of that line will be equals to the slope of this line. So we have to find the slope of this line first. So how to find the slope of this line? When equation of line is given, compare with y equals to mx plus c. Y equals to mx plus c equation. So for how to compare, this we have discussed in the last video also. How to compare? First of all, isolate this y term on one side with positive sign. This is having negative sign, so move it on the other side. So this is moved on the other side. So 2y is equals to x plus 8 is left over, or this multiply this whole equation by negative sign. Multiplying this whole equation by negative sign, this is moved on the other side. This move negative minus 8 is moved on the other side. This minus gets positive. And for converting in this form y equals to mx plus c, we can see that y should have coefficient as 1. Here we have y as 2. So divide this whole equation by 2. So dividing this equation x by 2, 8 by 2, we are having, now we have got the equation in this format, y is equals to mx plus c. So whatever is the coefficient of x is the value of m, because what is coefficient of x here is m. So m is equals to 1 by 2. Slope we have got. Slope we have got already. We have the point as the coordinate. So we have got point and slope. Now I put these two values in the equation of line. Y minus y1 is equals to mx minus x1. Y minus y1, that is 2. M we have taken out. X minus x1, that is 1. So this way we can apply the values and take out the equation of any straight line.